Hello dear students, let us revise some more revision sums on addition. First one is solve 45 plus 8. Before solving it, you have to note down which sign is here. Now this is addition sign. That means we will add. This is 45 2-digit number and this is 8 1-digit number. So we will add 45 and 8. I will write this number according to its place, ones and tens. 45, 4 at tens place, 5 at ones place, and 8 is only 1-digit number, so I will write it in ones column. Now add 5 ones and 8 ones. 5 ones and 8 ones is 13 ones. Now I will put 3 here and 1 will go as carry in tens column. Now you can see no digit is here, so I will add 4 and 1 carry, 4 and 1 5. So my answer is 53. See next sum, add 355 and 35. This is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number. This is the biggest number we have, 3-digit number. So we will write 3 places here, ones, tens, 100, and I will write this number 355 according to its places. 300, 5 tens and 5 ones. Second number is 35, 3 tens and 5 ones, and now I will put plus sign here. Now you will add ones in ones, 5 and 5 tens. This 0 will come here and this one will go in tens place. Now we will add 5 and 3. Both tens we will add 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 1 carry 9. Now you can see no digit here. You can put 0, otherwise no need to put 0. You can do this way only. 3 and 0 is 3. So the answer is 390. Now see the third sum. For third sum I have written a statement, add the following. First one is we will add 650 and 350. This is 3-digit number and this is also 3-digit number. We will add ones in ones and in both the ones we have zeros here. 0 and 0 is 0. 5 and 5, now we will add these both tens, 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is 10. I will put this 0 here and 1 will go in hundreds column. Now you can see no digit here. So we will add 6 and 1. 6 and 1, 7. Now dear students, see this next sum. This is 289 plus 142. So first of all we will add 9 and 2. 9 and 2 is 11. This one will come here and this one will go in tens column. Now we will add 8 and 4. 8 and 4 is 12. 12 and 1 carry is 13. So out of 13 we will put 3 here and 1 will go in hundreds column. Now we will add 2 and 1. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 1 is 4. So our answer is 431. Now fifth sum is find the sum of 209, 54 and 8. Dear students, see the meaning of sum. The meaning of sum is plus. So in this sum we will do addition of 209, 54 and 8. We will do plus of these 3 numbers. This is the biggest number, 3-digit number. So we will put 3 places here, 1, tens and hundreds. So 209, 209, and now next is 54, 5 tens, 4 ones. The next one is 8 ones only, so we will put 8 ones here. We have no digit here, we have no digit here and no digit here. We can put 0 here, we can put 0 here and we can put 0 here to do the addition more easy. Now we will add all these ones digits, 9 ones, 4 ones and 8 ones. First of all we will add 9 and 4. 9 and 4 is 13. 13 and 8 is 21. So out of 21 I will put 1 here and 2 will go as carry. Now you can see 0 is here, 5 is here and 0 is here. 0 and 5 is 0, 5. 5 and 0 is 5. This 5 and 2 is 7. Again, this is 2 and no more carry is there. So we will put 2 and 0, 2, 2 and 0, 2. So the answer is 271.